Welcome to McKee RV again. We're right in front of the 2026 Forest River 32BHDS. Mouthful of a unit, but it's a wonderful bunkhouse. We'll get moving. And right here inside of your pass-through storage, we have our 50 amp power service cord. And if you look up at the very top there is a strut there for your bed to be able to move up, and you can get down into this area from inside of the camper. So you lift that bed up, you can grab things right there without coming outside. I thought that was pretty neat. And then coming over down this way, we have a few of your convenience needs as it relates to your water convenience area. So we have our city water connection and our black tank flush right there, our outdoor shower, and then our 50 amp service power hookup there. But last but never least, down here in this area, we have our black and gray tank releases right there to be able to get all those fluids off the board for you. Around to the back end of the unit here, you have a few things going on here as well. You have your spare tire, which you're always going to want to have on board with you. Looking up top here, you have your Furon backup camera prep there. So there's not a backup camera, but we can get one in for you quick and easy. And then up in that area as well is going to be your on-the-go ladder receiver. So we can go ahead and get in one of those telescopic ladders to lock right into that area for you to let you get up to the roof, clean it off. And then right down here, last but never least, you have your grill coming along with the unit. Wonderful stuff. Now we'll keep moving here and getting underneath a little bit of shade. It gets hot outside. We have our outdoor kitchen. Wonderful stuff there. And right here in this area, our Ever-Chill refrigerator. Look at that, absolutely massive with loads of add-on bits here in the inside. All right, well, you're a little ahead of me, but here inside of the unit, doesn't this look absolutely gorgeous? A few things to point out here. Look at your accent lighting. Might be a little harder to see in the middle of the daylight, but just look at that ambient lighting running all the way around, just like those nice fancy cars of today with the ambient lighting running around. Looking at your kitchen here, massive kitchen area. You have a farm style sink here, so that really big, deep sink with the articulating head for your faucet here, as well as over here in this area, your 3-burner stovetop from Furon. Excellent stuff, using the propane on board to go ahead and heat that for you. And then right beneath, you have your oven in here. And then last but never least, look at how neat that is. There's an amount of theater that you get every time you open that one up. But gray stone here, this is gonna be able to do all of your microwaving needs. And then we're gonna continue on into our refrigerator. Look at that and how much space you have. So if you're gonna be out here for 2-3 weeks, maybe even a month, you really can have some good time here inside of the camper with otherwise amazing storage all the way around. Look at how deep those boxes are. And so I'll just show you here. I will get the arm test. I mean, I'm all the way in there. Come on, that's good stuff. So we'll keep moving here. Over on the other side of the unit, you have your dinette here. So here at the dinette, you're able to get some good eating in. But then right beneath me, we're gonna have our storage galore. So this is one. I'm gonna show you one. I'm gonna show you two here just next. I'm gonna show you two. I know, and there's more and more storage. I know if the kids are coming along, this is gonna be pretty cool stuff. Boom, we have 3 massive bins here. This is like the stuff that comes from Costco just about. So you're really getting a big win here. If you wanted to be out with the family for an extended period of time, this is gonna be one of the better ways to go, admittedly. So right here is the Versa Lounge. This Versa Lounge is going to allow us to move this cushion to completely transform your couch area. So give me 1 second. Boom, see? All right, now, this is living, is it not? All right, so I'll keep bringing you. We'll go here to the bathroom. So in the restroom of this unit, we have a whole lot of things going on here. So you have this very large shower. It's very, very wide, but it also lets you get of course, full rotation. But also, it's gonna give you this bar with a slight bit of a curvature to it, which when this closes, gives you a radius here that gives you more space. So you're not gonna feel too tight in here. Also, here inside of the bathroom, you have, of course, your faucet with this nice black finish. You have a beautiful mirror. And if you look at that mirror, it's gonna have this ambient lighting going all the way through. Really gives you that little bit of jazz, and then a good space here for the toilet. And we'll have to check, because of course you have to check these things. I think that's pretty good space. On to the main event. So here inside of the bunkhouse, loads of space. So you have your loft over in this area, beautiful window with its own shade in this area, a step all the way up to, and then hidden in that step is going to be your wardrobe storage bits here. Those will all come out nice, good depth to those. Now, directly opposed to that, over on this side, we have a few things going on here. Of course, we have this light already turned on for you. This is gonna give you a show of the bunkhouse. Boom, with its own light as well and its own window as well. And then back up here in this area, I want to show you your last one. Now this rolls out a little bit here into, boom, essentially another bed here in this area. Last but never least, we're going to take a look at the bedroom, but quickly here, let's look at this massive area for a television. So you can go pretty darn big or go home here. However, any size is going to fit, but also you have your gray stone fireplace in here as well. That's going to give you and kick out some really good heat during those 45, 50 degree kind of days. So coming here inside of the bedroom here, you have your custom king size bed with its own tilting function here, which is pretty neat. And we'll show you that in just a second. Looking around at all of your storage bits here, good amount of wardrobe storage. Looking behind the bed here, we have a Type-C USB up top there, a Type-A USB on bottom, and then you have your outlets right in there. And that's going to be mirrored all the way on the other side as well. So his and hers, you're not going to be losing anything in there, which is pretty darn cool, isn't it? And we're going to do our VersaTilt right here. And look at that roll up. A few things that this is going to do for you. It's going to allow you to, one, use your bedroom a little bit more. If you get a TV here in this area, it allows you to sit in your bedroom versus having to lay down in it. And then also, its second benefit is look at this massive amount of space that it's going to give you in your walk room. You really have all of this here. Also, we're going to look down into our pass-through storage. Look at the laundry chute. Oh my gosh, you have a laundry chute inside of your camper. I mean, come on. This is great stuff. And now, we've wrapped up our tour on the Forest River Salem 32BHDS unit. This is only one of how many units we have here at McKee RV, the largest selection in the Midwest. We can't wait to see you soon.